So now today I'll be comparing some of these cubes using this tier maker. This idea, then this template came from perm. So the original version is from perm, but I'll still do some comparison with my own thoughts, but some of these cubes I don't have them. So first of all, I'll start from the ones that I have, and then go on to the ones that I don't have. So in front of me I have some cubes in front of me, and they are what I have on my table. So I only have 8 of these cubes, so like half. So first of all, I have my first magnetic cube, using Little Magic. So I'll first go with that. Little Magic, I didn't get really strong magnets, but I feel like I pretty like them, like the Little Magic. So if we have a base, I'll probably put it in B, because it's overall well-rounded cube, but the corner cutting is not as great, but the feeling, I really like it. But I haven't gone to more stronger magnets, if there were, because my version is not strong magnets. Then we have the next cube that I got was, I think, the GTS 2M. GTS 2. So I'll rank it probably also a B. Both which cube I like more is the same. I don't know, but I think performance-wise, GTS 2 is better. So yeah. And then next cube is, I got the Yushin Huala. And the GTS 2, I have it right here. But it's just fast. Corner cutting is acceptable, not that good. But the feeling is just normal, no particular. I don't particularly like the feeling that much. And then next cube I got is this Huala. I'm gonna put this cube somewhere over here between B and C. For me, I'll probably put it in B. But the thing is, before I really like this cube because it's just really smooth and fast. Like there's nothing wrong with it. It's just really fast, and I just liked it because it was raw. The raw turning was great, but then after I dropped a few of the magnets and it just didn't perform that great. And if I would give my opinion right now, it's actually between B or C, but I'll put it at B because I main this cube and I haven't made the GTS2 in between them. I'll probably, for now, because both of these cubes are kind of broken, so I can't, so I'll put in B. So then I also have my next cube that I bought, I believe, is the GAN 354 over here. So for 354, at first I didn't like it that much. I made the Huanglong over this, but right now I don't think it's okay. Compared to GTS, I actually probably maybe rank it a little lower than the GTS, but so again I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put probably in here in between this one, the GTS. Maybe I would prefer the GTS more since of the size, but I would prefer this. So actually I'm gonna put the Huanglong lower because there's too much in B. Anyways, let's go on to the next cube that I have is the GAN X. which of course is my main right now, and it's just really good. It's like no other cube can really compare to what I feel like from my cubes. So I'm gonna put it to S because it's just really great. Customizable magnets or strength are great. Feeling is just so good. I really like it, and you can like make this cube fast or slow depending on how much lube you put in. The effect is just really strong. It's just not too slow, not too fast. It's just really good. The next cube I bought was Kylan V2 and the Dying Tengyun. So let's go to this one. So Kylan V2 is actually okay, but for some reason I just don't like it that much. It's really just a really normal cube. Performance-wise, I'll probably put it up to the B section over here, but feeling-wise, it's probably a C. So I'm gonna put it down to C. Above the Huanglong, maybe. I don't. Yeah. So next is the Dying Tengyun. So a lot of people say it's not that good. It's not that good, but for me, I don't know why, but I just like the Dying Tengyun. Performance-wise, is probably like a C somewhere over here, but corner cutting is really great. Probably a S. So, and for me, my personal preference is just putting this at A because I like it. Even though it seems to be not that good and popular, I just like the corner cutting is just really great, and the feeling is also pretty nice. Next, we'll go to YGMGC and Volk. MGC is just not really great for me. I can't seem to do what I want, and I like stateless cubes better. So I'm going to put the MGC on D section. Volk is another cube that I enjoy right now. It's just nothing wrong, except for the corner cutting. I'll probably put in B, but because this is my own tier list, so I'm just gonna put it to A because it's just better than all of these. I think I'll probably put it above the Tengyun, maybe not. I'm probably gonna switch to Tengyun to the Volk if I lost my X. Then I won't probably actually I'll switch this because I won't main this either. Ways. So this, and then the ones that I don't have but I heard of, the Yulong F, because it's just not that good. Vault Power is probably going to an D, because I heard some good comments but some bad controversy there. SMA, MGC is probably E. Weilong WR, I think it's a C or a B. I think it's pretty good though. Probably put it at a B. MF3RS3, B, or C, actually C. GTS3 is probably A. MS3RS2 is also A. So this is my list. It's like a triangle, so a lot of A's. Or maybe I should take away some A's. Because GTS3, for me, I think I'll take away GTS3. Because, yeah. This is my list, and compared to J-Perm's list, we've got here is pretty different. Let's compare some parts. Okay, let's go. So this is my on the right, and this is his on the left. So we can see Gant X, we've got the same. We put the Volk lower, Tengyun way lower, SM same, FreeRS same. I put the GTS3 below. Huanglong, he put it on the B. Wow, I put it on the C. And then Volk, Little Magic, yes. GTS2, yeah, a bit different is I have 354. And here's your WR. I put the WR higher. Maybe I should change it to here. Thailand, same. Hold on, free. It's down here, so maybe I'll take his opinion. Volk. MGC and Tengen, his opinion is here. I think MGC Fee 2 is down here. I don't know about MGC Fee 2, some of these cubes I don't know, but this is, I think, going to be my list over here. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.